The role of construction in modern society. Construction is
Anavara!
responsible for shaping houses, skyscrapers. Construction contributes directly to the infrastructure of development. Without construction, there would be no transportation systems and no public services. Offices and factories are where none of these would exist without the construction industry. Economic impact. The construction plays a significant role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide. Project managers to skilled laborers, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports millions developing countries.
Menino de vó vai deixar vovó. O menino de vó vai deixar vovó.
Furthermore, construction projects can provide a long-term return on investment. For example, it only creates jobs during construction, but it also helps people travel more efficiently. Social construction is not only about function, it also reflects culture. The design of monuments tells the story of a society's history, beliefs, and values. In many cities, architecture creates a sense of place. The Great Wall of China. Cultural centers. For modern cities, green buildings and sustainable design show a environmental concerns. Despite its many benefits, construction also has a major impact on the environment. Energy, water, and water. It produces waste, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Home construction construction industry is facing increased pressure on the economy. This means using eco-friendly materials. Green construction is becoming more popular. Automation and robotics are also changing how Challenges ahead. Despite these advances, the construction industry still faces challenges. These include rising costs of materials, skilled labor shortages, project delays. Corruption and mismanagement can also be problems, especially in large public projects. Climate change is another major challenge. As sea levels rise and extreme weather becomes more common, building infrastructure resilient construction is essential for the future. In addition, the industry must address issues of affordability. In many cities, housing prices are rising faster than inflation, leading to housing shortages and homelessness. Governments need to create more inclusive and affordable housing solutions. Conclusion. Construction
Workers' Daily Event Collection.
it is about building the economy, shapes society, reflects culture, and impacts the environment. As the world continues to responsibility for a sustainable world. Whether it's building homes for families, bridges that connect people, or future generations, construction remains one of the most powerful forces shaping human life. The role of construction bridges, and skyscrapers, construction contributes directly to the infrastructure and development. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services. Civilization. In ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves from the elements and wild animals. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of architecture. Today, construction is no longer just about survival. It's about improving the quality of living. Places for children to learn and grow. Hospitals give people access to life-saving care. Offices are factories where people work and produce goods. Cities with access plays a significant role in the economy. It creates millions of jobs worldwide.
When you say you got forklift experience.
Construction also supports many other manufacturing, education, and real estate. In developing countries, construction is often a key driver of economic growth. Building new railways,
What the?